Hello everyone. So today I am going to be installing this quick shifter and also going to be replacing my shifter boot and shift knob. So hopefully these fit well. Got these from Amazon. Looks like it might fit, but we'll see. So it looks like to take this piece off, you gotta take this off. And to take this off, you need to take this off. So let's start with that. Don't forget your hooks on top. Just be careful. Probably from the bottom first. Just took off the stereo, left it hanging there. Kind of squeeze this, take off the boot. You kind of see all the play on that. Looks like this piece right here, it's all connected, so this whole piece comes out as one, and this thing is giving me quite a bit of trouble. I don't know what it's getting caught on. Probably all the cables back here, but I'm gonna see if I could do it just by leaving this loose like that. And then I gotta take this bottom piece off. So before I started doing anything else, I kind of wanted to measure the wobble and the throw. So the play, I should say. So that's from 4 inches, 4 3/4 of play. And then that's from third gear, just about 4 inches, to fourth gear, which is about 8.5. So from about 4 inches to 8.5. So we'll see how much shorter it gets and see if there's a less play. Okay, so I didn't really want to mess with all the cables back here for the AC and air, so I started pulling on these things, pop this thing out, and there's a Phillips. So I'm gonna try to take it out and see if we could just separate this piece from the rest of it. Let's see. Awesome. As soon as I took that Phillips out, everything came all together. Pop this back in. Now we just disconnect these and we'll be good. Never mind, you actually do have to pop this piece out so you can get to the connectors, because back here it's all sealed. So you pop this out, disconnect this, and now we could take all this out. Okay, now we have access to these two Phillips up here to take this bottom piece out. And there's also a Phillips right in here on the top side, top right. Right there. I already took it out. As soon as you remove those 3 Phillips, this thing pops straight out. Now we could get to these. They look like 12s. And this. It's gonna be weird. We'll see. So taking these out is easy enough. Just pry up on this hook piece while pushing backwards. And for this one, you push these apart while also prying this out at the same time. See if I could do that one-handed. Nope. Oh yeah, there you go. Pop this out, and this one push up and out. There you go. This should come off right like that. This I gotta figure out. I just removed the 4 nuts holding this in place, so we could take a look at this right here. This is a clip. You just pop it straight out like that. And then this is a spring pushing down this way. So you have to twist this twist and it pops it up, and then at the same time pull the whole thing out. So once you twist, it gives it some room, and then you could pop this out. So twist this piece right here. There you go, I got it out. You might need a flat head to help you get started. Just push down if it's stuck, and then you twist it, and when you twist, it gives you some room to get this this piece out from that bottom right here from the inside. So now we have to do the exact same thing for this one, and it's out. There we go. So I just noticed also that the new shift knob does not come with this piece right here, so I'm gonna have to see if I could pry this off. This piece goes inside this one. So I'm gonna see how I could get this off. So after reading the instructions for the new shifter, this was the piece that came with the new shifter. I was wondering what it was. So this is apparently a press tool, so you could press this out like that. You need to take this arm off and put it in a vise, and this is supposed to help you press it out. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't think I have a vise. Okay, I found the vise. So I took off these 6 Phillips head screws, took this to a vise, put this through here, and put each side on each jaw of the vise, and then with a little pin or something, hammer into the actual metal piece right here, hammer down, and then it'll pop this out. Cleaned it up a little bit. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna press this onto the new one. Might have to use the vise also to press it on. So I have this white lithium grease. I'm not sure if it's the proper grease for this, but it should be all right. Better than nothing. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna put some in here and see how I could press that on. I was able to press it on with just my finger, just pressing it on, but some multi-groove pliers might work just as well. Just clamp it on. Feels okay. Just gonna add some more grease to this, the cup, and install these back up. So twist, install, and then just let it go. It kind of holds on by itself, and then give it an extra little, make sure it's tight, and put these on. Okay, one down. It fit perfectly. Clip went on. So you're supposed to twist this kind of as far as you can, and then fit this through here to where this piece, this where the clip goes, basically the line, it's straight down, so it has to go in like this because it is slotted inside here. Okay, do that and then put the clip on. New shifter is definitely a lot thinner than this, so I had to switch to a deep socket. Torque spec, good and tight. Probably about 20 foot-pounds. Added a ton of grease to the cup, pushed it in until you see these two clip on. Clip this on. It might have been easier if I installed these two before the screws, the nuts, but kind of forced it in a little bit. So this clip, don't forget your cotter pin. Goes through here, push it all the way to the clips. Sound good. I don't really like the angle this thing is on, but it might be. The new thing doesn't look too bad. Wow. First, reverse. Definitely feels a lot better. We'll see right now. Now to put everything back in reverse order. Okay, just installed the bottom piece with the 3 Phillips head screws. I also installed the new shift boot. It just held on with these little tabs right here. Not too bad. Looks pretty secure enough. Time to install this back up. Don't forget to run your cables through this hole right here. Sorry, super hard to do this just by myself, but here's testing the slop. Now it's about from 4 to about 4 1/4 inches. So it's about a 1/4 inch of slop instead of a 3/4 inch. And now going from, that's 3rd gear, all the way to 4th gear. So from 4 inches to 6.5 inches. 4 inches, 6.5. So the before was from 4 inches to 8.5 inches. So we lost about 2 inches of travel from 3rd to 4th. Nice. I'll put this back together, and then we'll install the new shift knob. Everything's back on. Looking at the new shifter, it is super heavy compared to the OEM. It came with these adapters, so you could choose the right one for this thread. And there you go. That looks awesome. Feels great. Now let's drive it. Good. Thanks for watching.